Hi, I'm Guthrie Batchelor and I'm from Fleming Butchers in Arbroath, and we've also got the farm Cannell's Mill just outside Freecombe. At the butchery we kind of pride ourselves on the range of products and the amount of products that we make ourselves. Ranged from various beef products, pork products and lamb products, and the beef and pork ones we were able to trace straight back to our own farm. About 40% of our beef throughout the year is from our own farm, and then the pork products, again, that's all from our farm. We've got the one main shop in Arbroath which we recently renovated the end of last year. That's for all our retail products, right across the board, the raw ones and the ready-to-eat ones. And then we also supply quite a lot of shops up in Aberdeen, in the Dundee area with our pies, and some of them also stock some of our raw products such as sausages, black pudding, square slice, that sort of stuff as well. So, and quite a few local restaurants as well, we supply them, so when you're out for tea or lunch you can still have our beef and pork.